I look like a rock star, a star girl. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mira, and I'm back with another video. I don't know what happened to the intro to this video, so I'm gonna talk throughout the video, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video or whatever. So yeah.
I'm I ain't got a pair, but I'm full nigga cheap, and I'm
Cause I seen that you're not supposed to wear contacts while you get your lashes done, and I probably got this shirt on backwards, but I'm finna hurry up and go, and I'm running late. Like, I'm like 7 minutes late, so let me hurry up. But I just wanted to show y'all me in my car. I just got my new car, so yeah, I'll record when I get in there, because this is my cousin. So yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm at my lash place with my cousin. I'm gonna put you in it. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all once I start getting my lashes done and stuff.
They call me Whitley, I go to hell 9. Listening the baddest in school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. You was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pitching the frame.
So y'all, I'm done getting my lashes done. Let me take off my glasses so y'all can see them. They very much like on a bigger side, but you know that's what I like. Like, I like me some big lashes, and my camera finna die, so I'm finna just scrap this. Okay, hey y'all, so it's currently 4 a.m. and I'm getting ready to leave. I'm packing up like my pictures and stuff like that. And like I said before, don't mind my glasses being as close up because my lashes keep touching it. But anyways, not a room tour because my room look bogus right now. But anyways, yeah, it's been real. Like, the natural lighting is actually really cute, and I wouldn't have to do much to my wall. But anyways y'all, I'm in my housing, my temporary housing for this semester. I know what y'all thinking, like, bitch, you in a whole hotel. And yes, this is me in the mirror. Once I get done like decorating it, I'm gonna do like a segment like directly dedicated to like decorating it and shit like that. But this the bathroom. It's nothing have been cleaned yet or nothing. I just kind of got in here. I just ate me some food and stuff, so y'all gonna see it once it's like fully done. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I'm in the dressing room at Tilly's, and I'm trying on like clothes for like back to school because I didn't get like any school clothes when I was in Chicago. So I'm trying on some clothes, and I'm gonna get these, but I think I'm gonna like take off like the top because I don't. But do y'all think I feel like these are short enough, but I want to be short. Like, I also got this Sublime shirt. I think I'm gonna get it, but it's probably gonna end up like as a like nighttime shirt, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so I just recently like got like a couple of things. I'm headed to Bath and Body Works so I can give me like some candles. This lighting is so pretty, but give me some candles for my room, so my room could like smell good. Then give me like some undergarments for just period, cause like I like to re-up on my undergarments. But yeah. That's the one I'm getting. Hopefully it's focused.
Talk to me, let the smoke clear. I got diamonds.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Tomorrow my first day.
Sit down on it, we might justify. Fucking night, I keep the She tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She got a choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just never on myself a day and count my figure shit.
Good morning, y'all. So today is my first day of school. I be sleeping hard as hell on my lashes, so it just fucks them up. And y'all gonna notice, like, with my makeup, I actually don't do a lot. Like, as far as, like, what the hell I use and stuff. Because, honestly, most of my brushes get used by my clients. So, I don't be having no brushes for myself.
Hello, stranger.
I did my eyebrows off camera. I don't know how I feel about them, actually. Like, I'm trying to fuck with them, but I don't know. I don't got all my brushes together like how I usually do. So concealing some eyebrows a little bit hard today.
Who am I
I'm using concealer today.
Usually I don't do this often.
I'm just concealing, and then I'll probably use a lighter one too.
Usual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on. Put your sweats on.
I hope this is the right powder. I hope you know that all the hustlers fuck me. I hope you know that one day, girl, them ass shots gonna catch up to you.
Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a big time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Okay, as far as what I'm wearing today, I think I'm gonna wear this skirt, y'all. It look big, but you know, I done got big. So, I'm gonna wear this, and then I'm gonna try to, like, do something to it so, like, that you could see, like, the waistline, because I think I'm gonna wear a thong. Like, it's giving very much Mini Santos moment. Like, I'm really getting to my that girl moment. I don't know if I'm gonna wear, I want to wear these because that'll be cute, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna try on the outfit, and then I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is the fit. I scrunched up my shirt to make it look like it's more of a mini skirt. I got on the pink clogs. They are really loud. Like, these are some really loud ass shoes, but I like it. And then I have, like, on a regular, like, white shirt, I got these layered necklaces on. I have on these layered necklaces, and then I have these little sports glasses. That's what they call on, like, Amazon and stuff. Thong too. I'm gonna make it like it's gonna be more apparent in my pictures, because yeah, it's just gonna be more apparent in my pictures. And it's just like the denim on denim. These are not the same type of denim, but do I really give a fuck? Hey y'all. So I look
Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
Hey y'all, it's me and Kaya. We just sitting outside in the courtyard. What the fuck was that about? Bitch.
So just throw your whole face.
Like,
Oh, there goes Armani over there. Listen. Alright.
I'm bored. So I'm taking pictures.
We went back and they were like,
Where'd you go? Do you know how happy